What's up, guys? It's Polis right here again, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is the 27th of May 2025 right here, and it is Tuesday. The time is 10:53 a.m. It's almost 11 a.m. and I'm pumped up for the new week. I'm pumped up. Okay, yesterday was Monday. I didn't take any trade. I don't trade on Mondays, or I hardly trade on Mondays, as you all know. Last week ended well. I ended up passing the phase 1 challenge on my $10,000 prop account, and this week I will be placing, by God's grace, hopefully, my first trade on the second phase challenge of my $10,000 prop account. For the phase 1 challenge, I passed it by risking 1% per trade. And for this second phase challenge, I will keep on doing that same thing, because if it can help me make 5%, it should help me make 10% too. So I'm just going to continue with the plan, with my trading plan, 1% risk per trade and to target 2%. Let us dive into the chart. Let me show you guys my bias for this week. Okay, so as we all know, I trade mostly GBP USD and gold. That is what I trade. So I'm going to start with GBP USD. Okay, for GBP USD, according to, if you look at the 4-hour time frame, the market is still bullish. So I'm still looking forward to buying GBP USD. I'm not looking forward to selling GBP USD. I'm still looking forward to buying GBP USD. But I feel that this week I will get more opportunity on gold than GBP USD. Why? Because GBP USD is far from my zones, except maybe start creating new zones this week, but it's very far from my zone. But gold is much more closer to my zones. So I believe maybe this week, last week I got more opportunities on GBP USD than gold. So I think, or I feel like this week, with what I am seeing on the chart, I will get more opportunities on gold than GBP USD. But let me continue with what I was saying. So the market on GBP USD is bullish, and with what I am saying, I have a support right here and my trend line down here. So I'm just looking forward to the market dropping to this trend line for me to take my buy. I'm waiting for this market to drop to this trend line for me to take my buy, or the market coming to this support for me to take my buy. So this is just what I am looking for sometime this week for GBP USD, and hopefully the market does that. And for gold is still bullish to me. It's still bullish. Gold is still bullish because if you look at I'm still seeing series of higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and the market is retracing to form maybe an equal low. That's what I'm saying here. So I've already marked out this support zone, over here, or like call it a demand zone. So I've already marked out this support zone over here. So I'm just waiting for the market to come here. It's closed already. So if the market come here, I look for my price action patterns or candlestick confirmations and go in for a long. That's my bias for GBP USD and gold this week. I won't lie, trading is boring. Like, not trading itself, but being a forex trader is boring. You have to wait, and wait. And if you don't have that ability to wait or that ability to be patient, you will cry. As in, you will cry. Like I was saying, forex trading is really boring. So you just have to be home most of the time, pressing your phone, reading books, doing something else. That's why it's advisable that as a forex trader, you need to find a hobby. You need to find a hobby that will take your time. Like if you don't have other jobs you're doing, and you have need to find a hobby. If it is hiking, if it is movies, if it is reading books, playing games, playing football, tennis, boxing, whatever sport, you just need to find something that will you will be doing to take like an hobby that you'll be doing that can take like those times when you're waiting for the market to get to your zone. Because when you are idle, as I say, an idle man is the devil workshop. When you are idle, when you are idle, you may at the end get bored to the extent that you just go into the chart and just decide to just place a trade just because you want to feel that pump. That's why it is okay for you to just find a hobby, go do something else. If it is designing, if it is graphic designing, like me, while I'm waiting for the chart, what I do is I either pick up my pencil, my book, and draw or paint, or I watch a movie. So you also can do that instead of just sitting on your hands and just being idle. You can be productive in other aspects. So right now I'm just going to sit down and do something else while waiting for the market to get to my zone. So I'll keep you guys updated. So peace. Okay, what's up guys? It's Wednesday right here, and it is the 28th of May 2025. I'm at the gym right now. It's 7:10 a.m. my time. Yesterday I didn't get, or I couldn't get any setup, but hopefully today we'll get one. So I'm still yet to place my first trade on my $10,000 account. So I'm just going to go get some workout. I don't know why, but I'm having a pretty lazy morning. But nevertheless, we push, we move because that's the discipline. Hopefully, in the next 1 hour time, I should be home. So because I'm not going to be working out much this morning. So let's go.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes.
Okay, I'm done freshening up, and with the way the market is going, I don't know if we are going to see setup today. I think today is just going to go on and we won't see a setup. Yesterday being Tuesday, we didn't see a setup. Today is Wednesday, and well, we won't force it. We will just stay. If there is no setup, I will just sleep. So I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, so what's up, guys? Today has ended. I finally took my first trade on the $10,000 account today, and actually, I took two trades today. The first one I took was a loss. I lost about 80 something dollars on that trade, and like I entered that trade, and I was surprised that I was in loss because I was like, my analysis and everything, and then I decided to go back to the higher time frame and check and all, and I noticed that like I was trading against the current trend of the market, so I had to close. So I closed before the market even hit my stop. So I lost about 80 something dollars, and I looked for a buy. I looked for a sell, sorry, and I took a sell position. I got so kind, I got the opportunity for to enter a sell position. I took a sell position on gold, and I hit more than 1:2. So I think I hit about one ratio 2.5 or thereabout. So I'm up 1 point something percent. Yes, I made $114 in profits today, so it's fine. Profit is profit, even though I didn't make up to 2%. Honestly, I am happy. I'm glad that today ended in profit. So I'm up 1%. So see you guys again tomorrow. Peace. So what's up, guys? It's Thursday right here, and it's the 29th of May 2025. The time is 2:20 p.m. right here, right now, and got so kind I was able to get a trade opportunity on gold today, and the market just hit TP. Remember, earlier this week on Tuesday, if you rewind the video, I told you guys that with what I am saying while doing my analysis on both GPUSD and gold, I told you guys that I'm likely to see more opportunities on gold this week than GBPUSD. So, and so far so good. This week I've taken two trades this week, and all has been on gold. Both of them has been on gold. So that means I was right. Today I took a trade on gold, like I said initially, and it hit TP, so I got 2%. So in addition with the 1% I made yesterday, so that means I am up 3%. So I still have 7% target to meet. The weather is so cold and cool, like it's been raining here since last night, so I didn't go anywhere. I didn't do much, so I've just been lying down, in fact even taking a nap. So hopefully tomorrow we'll get another setup that will give us another 2%, and we'll be up 5% for the week. So catch you guys again tomorrow. Peace. So what's up, guys? It's Friday and it is the 30th of May 2025. It's past 6 p.m. now. I think 6:20 or 6:21 p.m. thereabout. Honestly, guys, I messed up. I took a trade today on gold, and on a norm, I was not supposed to take that trade because today the market was not tradable. The market got to my zone and started ranging. Like, the market became choppy. I thought I wasn't going to even take any trade today, and I said to myself that there's no trade today. Only for the market to deceive me. The market went back to my zone and create a bullish engulfing candle which took out all the choppy moves it has been making since London session. And I thought that maybe buyers have now stepped into the market, because I was looking forward to buying gold. So I thought that buyers have stepped into the market and the choppy market was over and all, and I entered into the market. Immediately I placed the buy, the market started heading towards my loss, but I realized my mistake so fast that I was able to close on time. So instead of losing 1%, I lost 0.5%. So I lost about 48 or $47 on that trade. So not even up to 0.5%. I think 0.48% or thereabout. So this week we ended this week in profit. We ended this week in a profit of about 2.5%. It's a good one, honestly. It's a good one. So that is that. I'm just so glad that I was able to manage the trade well, like cutting my losses very short, seeing that the market wasn't doing exactly how I expected it to behave, and getting out of the market. So learn from this. If you go into a trade, it's not a must you wait for the trade to hit your stop. Once you are noticing that this market is going to definitely hit your stop, get out of that trade. You don't have to keep holding and saying and praying for a miracle to happen that the market will reverse. Yes, there are some times that you will be in loss. There's the way the market will be moving. You will know that, okay, there's a possibility that this market can reverse and go your way. But there's a way a market will be moving. You will know that this market will hit your stop. What are you still doing in the market? Close, minimize your loss, and leave the market. Another opportunity will come. So that is that. So please, if you're seeing me for the first time, or if you're watching this video till this time and you've not subscribed, please, I'm begging you to subscribe. I believe by now, watching this video from the beginning till this period, you already know what this channel is all about. I am documenting my journey to becoming profitable without actually paying for mentorship. So please just do well to subscribe and be with me on this journey. And don't forget to also like and leave a comment and turn on the notification icon so you will get notified. You will be the first to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So that is that for the week. This is my P&L for the week. This week was great. So make sure to enjoy your weekend and catch you guys again next week. Bye.